Hello viewers, you're welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much um, for your feedback, for the message you have been dropping on our platform. I want to thank you so much. We really appreciate you. Please and please, this is another video that we like to enlighten you. And today we are going to be talking about how to stop, if you are using an operating system that is Windows 10 from consuming so much data on your laptop. For as many of us that you have been wondering that, wow, why is my laptop consuming too much data? Why is it consuming so much of my data? So today on this YouTube channel, we're going to be showing you how to solve that problem, how to make sure that your OS, your Windows 10 Pro, or whatsoever OS you are using does not consume so much data on your laptop. Please and please don't forget to watch this video to the end. You're going to enjoy it. It's going to be interesting and it's going to be captivating. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please and please kindly subscribe, kindly share this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, and please, if you have anything that you'd like to give us that we like to know about, please just drop a comment in the comment box below. Please and please, we all appreciate that. And please don't forget again, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please and please kindly subscribe. It's going to help our algorithm on YouTube. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to be looking at how to make sure that your data consumption it's being stopped. Maybe you are browsing on your laptop and you discover that your laptop is consuming so much data. So before we start, we would like to let you know that the first thing you need to do is to check your task manager, to check your app. Look at the app which is consuming so much data. Look at the app which is consuming so much data. Look at the app. That's the first step that you need to do. The first step that you need to do is that you need to look at the app. Step one, check network usage in Windows 10 vs Task Manager. So you need to look at the app or look at the application that is consuming so much of data. So you need to get that. And it's very easy. It's very easy for you to do that. So the first thing you need to do, there's different way for you to do. You can just come to this. You can see my mouse. My mouse is moving. Just come here and type Task Manager. So you can see the app here. This is the desktop app. Or you can just, as a shortcut, what you can just do is just click on Control Shift Escape. Can you see Control Shift Escape is going to bring you here? You can see it here. So just click on. Let me type it for you here. The shortcut for it. The shortcut you can just press. Control plus Shift plus Escape. Yeah. And Escape. You can just press it like that. That's the shortcut. Or you can just come here and type Task Manager. So you actually want to get the app that is consuming so much data. So you are actually going to get that. So that's the first step. Let us first resolve that before we move to the next step. So we have opened that already. So the first thing that you just need to do, is just open it, Control Shift Escape. So there is it here. You can see it here. Let me expand it so you can see it very well. So on this laptop now, we have a lot of apps that we are using here. So the first thing that you need to do is that you just need to confirm which app is actually consuming so much of your data. So now, like I have on my laptop here, which you can see here, you have container here is consuming 9.1 MB, and I also have some other. So my Microsoft is consuming 0.2 MB. So you can see it here, you can look at it here, this network. Come over here, the first thing you need to do is just come to, you can see file options, view, process, performances, app history, startup. So your major your major focus here is the app history. Just come to app history, click on app history. So you're gonna see the app that is consuming so much data. So you can see it here, the two are already on the top here, 9.1 MB and 0.2 MB. So these are the one that is consuming so much of the data. So you have already see that they are consuming so much data. So you can see here the network and the metered network. So that one is so easy, so easy. So the task manager will let you know which app is consuming most of your data. So the task manager will consume so much of your data. So now, for us now to now check, for us to check this, the next step for you, the second step now, step number 2. The step number 2 you need to do now. Step 2 here is now. So please kindly follow us. So check network usage. You can check your network. Check your network usage. Check your network usage in Windows 10. Windows 10. Val your network setting. Yeah, network setting. So how are we going to go about that? For you to check your network usage using your network setting, the first thing you need to do is that you need to come to your window here. So window, you can just click on this icon. Can you see the icon here? The icon starts for setting, or you can just type setting. Can you see it there and click on it, or you come to this icon here and click on setting. So you just click on setting. So after clicking on settings, you can just let's just come here, click on settings. So click on setting. So can you see it here? We have our settings here. So let me expand it for you. Just click on settings. Sorry for taking much. So so settings here. Sorry for that. So click on settings. So you can click on settings. So now you can now go to network. You can see your network and internet. So let me go back again. So you can see it here. See network and internet and click on it. So when you click on it, so you just go to data usage, your Wi-Fi. So just go to Wi-Fi. You can see your Wi-Fi here. Go to Wi-Fi and scroll down. So just go down. Just you can see here. So this is Wi-Fi. No, just come here. You can see data usage here. Can you see it here? Data usage. Just follow the mouse. So you have data usage. Just click on it. Can you see it here now? So my Wi-Fi here is telling me that I have used 73 MB. You can see it here. It's telling me the app, can you see it here? The amount of data that I've consumed and which app is consuming, which is my Chrome, then my system, my Microsoft Word. So it's going to tell you which app is consuming most of your data. So it's going to give you all the details information that you need. You can see it here, all the details information that you need is going to give it to you here. So and the app that is actually consuming most of your data. So now the next step that we need to follow now is how to stop it. So the next step, which is step 3. So the next step is, So how to stop. So since we have already identified those apps that are consuming our data, so now the next step is how to stop Windows 10 from using so much data. So that's the next step now. So for you now to now go about that, so we go back to our settings again. So we go back to our settings. Let's go back to our settings again. So now we are not in the settings, and you know how to get to settings. So all you just have to do is come to here, come to this window here, type setting. After you have typed settings, so just click on this. You can see it here. Click on it. So you're going to be, so it's going to bring us here. So now the first thing you need to do is that you have to go to your network and internet. To your network and internet. To your network and internet. Or there's no need of you going to your network, and just go to settings. Can you see it here and go to privacy? You can see privacy here. So just click on privacy. You can see it here. So you go to background. So you can check for settings. So go to settings. So go to settings and make sure that you set all your background. You can see it here. So you can see it background. So like now we have the settings here. You can say change privacy options. So you can just turn off everything that you need to turn off. You can just click off here. So you can just come here again. You can see here background app. Can you see this background app here? Background app here. Just click on it. Can you see it here? So let app one in the background. So now what this one does is that it turns off every background app. Every background app. You can see a lot of softwares here that we are using. So it's going to turn it off, all the applications that are running in the background. So all you just have to do is come to privacy, scroll down and click on background app. And you can see a let app one in the background. You just turn it off. Don't turn it on. See, if you turn it on, it will automatically choose. Okay, you can see there they are on, and which means that if you are connected to the internet, all this app will be running automatically. They are going to be updating and be running and be doing a lot of synchronizing and other activities. So you can just turn it off because you are not using it. So turn it off, and all this is going to help you in making sure that your data is not being consumed so fast. So and the next thing is that you need to do. The next step that you need to do is that you are going to make sure that you disable. Make sure this is next step. Next step you are going to do is make sure disable. Make sure you disable automatic peer to peer update. Yeah, make sure you just dismantle it. Every peer to peer update, kindly dismantle it. Make sure that it is dismantled. So how can you go about that? So for you to dismantle that, just go to your settings. You know how to get to our settings. You can just click on your window and say and type in settings. So go to update and security. You have it here. You can see the update and security and click on it. So after click on update, click on advanced option. So just click on advanced option. So click on advanced option. So click on window update. You can see window update here. Click on window update. So we have clicked on window update. So and now click on advanced options. So now you can click on view advanced option. You can see it here. Click on advanced options. So you are now in advanced options. So now we are going to turn off all these things. Like here on my laptop, I have of every necessary option that I need to off. So all these one, make sure that is off on your laptop. Off it. Don't let it be on, because all this thing is going to be allowing your data consumption to be consumed so fast. so fast. Off it automatically, off it, and make sure that it's totally off. Make sure that it's totally 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 off, totally off. So make sure that it's totally off. So when you have done that, so you can just go back to the setting again, go back to your settings, go back to your settings, go back to your settings. So now the next step is that we want to disable our PC synchronize. So if you want to do that, you just have to go back to accounts. You can see it here. Click on accounts. So you can, after clicking on accounts, you click on your, you can see it here, synchronize your settings. So you can see I have off my own automatically, so make sure that it is off automatically on your laptop. Make sure that it is off. That is very, very important. Please, if you are following us, don't forget, click on the subscribe button below on this YouTube channel. Please and please don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. So please share this video with friends and family. So now let's go back to the settings. So now we are at the settings. So we are also going to also make sure that this update is also off. So you go to update and security. This update and security, click on it. So click on window update. So we have already done that. So like window updates, so you are already there, and they are advanced settings. So make sure that all these things are totally off. And if you have made sure that, after making sure of that, the next thing is that to make sure that your browser, I make use of browser here. So just click on it, go Chrome data saver extension download. So click on it, and the first one you can just right click and come here. So you can add this one as a software to your Google Chrome, as a plugin or to your Google Chrome, and add it to your Google Chrome. So this one is gonna help you to make sure that your Google Chrome is not consuming so much data on your laptop. So all you just have to do is just go to Google. So click on the search button, Chrome data saver extension download. After the Google Chrome has given you a list of it, click on the first one, and you come here, and it's going to give you this. So you're going to add this one to your plugin. So you're going to add this to your plugin. So we have come to the end of today's information. Please and please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please don't forget to share this video, and then again give this video a thumbs up. We are going to appreciate your feedback. So please and please share this video with friends and family. And then again, if you have any comments, please don't forget to send us a WhatsApp message. This is my Tech Guide YouTube channel. And please don't forget